In the volatile world of financial trading, perhaps the question that haunts anyone stepping into the market is, how can I build a successful trading strategy? But you know, success in trading is not only measured by the profits you see in your account. It's also the sense of comfort you feel when you truly understand, master, and align with your own strategy. An effective strategy is one that makes you feel in harmony with it, like an artist enjoying every brushstroke, not forced, not rigid, but natural and seamless. Success in trading, much like in life, is a story of alignment and consistency. A profitable long-term trading strategy must be built on a deep understanding of yourself, your style, your goals, and even your personal limits. Like a hunter, waiting patiently, not rushed or hasty, you also need to be ready to wait for the truly great opportunities instead of forcing yourself to jump into the market. In trading, forcing often leads to wrong decisions, and patience is the key to unlocking sustainable success. One important thing we want to emphasize from the start: no trading strategy is perfect, but there are strategies that fit each individual. Your story, the time you dedicate to the market, and how you manage risk will all determine whether you succeed or not. A successful trader is not necessarily the one who trades the most, but the one who trades the smartest, knowing when to act and when to stop and observe. For those of you discovering our YouTube channel for the first time, welcome. This is where we not only share knowledge but also tell real, inspiring stories from the financial market. From Forex to cryptocurrency, from personal financial management to long-term investment strategies, our goal is to equip you with knowledge, build your confidence, and help you achieve steady progress in your financial journey. Our channel is not merely a source of information. We aim to be your reliable companion on this journey. We understand that the financial market can be overwhelming with its complex terms, charts, and numbers. But remember, every expert today was once a beginner. And the most important thing is that you are not alone. We are here to walk with you every step of the way. If these insights resonate with you, take a moment to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons on our channel. We are committed to bringing you the most valuable content, from simple lessons for beginners to advanced strategies for experienced traders. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos created not just with knowledge, but with our heartfelt dedication. When you hit the subscribe button, consider it a small commitment to yourself, a commitment to learn, to change, and to improve every day. Financial trading is not just a way to earn extra income, it's a journey of self-discovery, learning to manage risks, control emotions, and build personal discipline. On this journey, we don't just want you to find profits but also joy, freedom, and growth in every decision you make. There's a saying we deeply believe in: success is not a destination, it's the journey you take every day. On that journey, let us stand by your side. Let each video, each shared story, be a small step bringing you closer to your financial goals. Welcome to this journey with us. Let's build a strong financial future together, day by day, step by step. In the world of trading, there is no such thing as the best strategy for everyone. There is only the strategy that best suits each individual. This is the first and most important thing you need to understand. Everyone has their own circumstances, goals, and style. An effective trading strategy is not one that promises massive profits, but one that makes you feel comfortable using it. It must align with your psychology, the time you dedicate to the market, and most importantly, your ability to control your emotions. Think of the way a hunter patiently waits for their prey. They don't chase everything they see but select, wait, and only act when the timing is truly ripe. Trading is the same. A strategy that makes you feel pressured, insecure, or conflicted with your beliefs cannot bring sustainable results. Instead, the right strategy is the one that feels most natural, where you trade without forcing yourself and without feeling overly stressed while looking at the charts every day. Success in trading doesn't just come from choosing the right market or trading tool, but from deeply understanding yourself. You might be someone with a busy job, having only a few hours a week to monitor the market. In that case, long-term strategies like swing trading or trend-following investments might be more suitable. On the other hand, if you enjoy challenges and can dedicate hours each day to research and analysis, short-term trading styles like scalping or day trading might excite you. The important thing is to know your limits and adjust your strategy to fit your personal life, not the other way around. Alongside comfort, discipline and consistency are indispensable factors in building a suitable trading strategy. Look at the overall picture of your financial activities. For instance, if you already have long-term investments in stocks or ETFs, you don't need to force yourself to trade Forex continuously. Instead, consider Forex trading as a supplement, a way to diversify your portfolio or increase passive income. This not only helps you maintain better financial balance, but also avoids the pressure of having to trade at all times. Your trading style should also reflect harmony with your financial goals. For example, if your main goal is to build long-term stability, choose strategies that focus on risk management instead of chasing short-term profits. Remember, the market is never short of opportunities, but you can only seize them with a clear and consistent approach. Most importantly, never attempt to copy someone else's strategy entirely. What works for them may not work for you. Learn from successful traders, but ultimately, you must adjust and make the strategy your own. Ask yourself, do I truly feel comfortable with this strategy? Does it fit my time and lifestyle? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. If not, change it before it's too late. Remember that a suitable trading strategy is not just a tool to make money, but also a way to discover yourself. It requires you to develop patience, emotional control, and discipline, qualities that are not only essential in trading, but also invaluable lessons in life. Only when your strategy aligns with who you are does it truly become the key to unlocking success in trading. A long-term strategy not only helps you make money, but also allows you to maintain a balance between the market and your personal life. The core of this strategy is stability, not the flashiness of short-term massive profits. If you've ever been caught in the whirlwind of trading large volumes, the roller coaster of wins and losses, and sleepless nights, you'll understand that such trading cannot last forever. A true long-term strategy is one that helps you stay healthy in the market, not just financially, but mentally as well. First, think about your goals. Are you trading to make quick money or to build sustainable growth? A long-term strategy focuses on generating consistent profits rather than trying to hit it big this way. You don't have to trade under enormous pressure, avoiding unnecessary risks. Like a farmer planting seeds, you cannot expect to harvest tomorrow. Instead, you patiently wait, nurture, and let time do its part. This is how long-term growth is built step by step, steadily. Second, simplicity is key. Many traders make the mistake of thinking that the more complex a strategy, the more effective it is. In reality, trying to juggle too many tools, indicators, and pieces of information only leaves you more confused. The market is already complicated, and your job is to make it easier to understand. A chart overloaded with indicators is like a dense forest. You lose direction and cannot see the bigger picture. Focus on what truly matters: price action, support resistance levels, and the main trend. Choose a higher time frame like the D1 or H4 chart. These timeframes not only help you see major trends clearly, but also reduce the pressure of making constant decisions. With a simple and clear plan, you'll feel much more confident when trading. One of the most important skills in long-term trading is learning how to do nothing. It may sound strange, but it's incredibly important. When you're not trading constantly, you have time to observe the market more calmly and objectively. Remember, action isn't always better than waiting. A good hunter doesn't shoot at everything that moves. They wait, analyze, and only act when the timing is truly right. Trading is the same. Patience is your competitive advantage. Instead of trying to catch every opportunity, focus only on the clear ones, where all the factors in your plan align. Ask yourself, am I forcing myself to trade just to feel like I'm doing something? If the answer is yes, it's time to stop and reassess. A long-term strategy doesn't require you to be constantly busy. Instead, it helps you take control of your time, select opportunities, and leverage them effectively. Trading is a journey, not a race. The market will always have opportunities, but you only have one account and one mind. Don't let short-term pressures destroy your long-term potential. A long-term profitable trading strategy not only helps you preserve your capital, but also helps you maintain your passion for the market. Simplify, be patient, and always aim for stability because that is the foundation of true success. Building a personalized trading strategy is not easy, but once you do, it will be the key to trading with confidence and greater effectiveness. First, you need to start by identifying the trading style that suits you. Are you someone who enjoys quick trades, entering and exiting within a few minutes to a few hours? If so, scalping might be the right choice. Or do you prefer spending a few days analyzing and waiting for high-quality entry points? Try swing trading. And if you are patient and prefer trading with a long-term vision, position trading is a reasonable approach. Each style has its advantages and disadvantages, but the most important thing is that it matches the time you have and the mindset you feel comfortable with while trading. Next, understand your risk tolerance. This is a foundational step but often overlooked. Ask yourself, how much money am I willing to lose in a single trade if a small loss keeps you awake at night? You are trading with too much risk. Never let a single trade affect your personal life. Start with small trade sizes that are appropriate for your account size and your psychological comfort. Managing trade size not only protects your account but also maintains mental stability, a crucial factor in making sound decisions. After that, you need a clear trading plan. This is your roadmap in the market. An effective method used by many traders is the TLS trend levels signal principle. First, identify the market trend. Trend is the price going up, down, or sideways. Next, look for support and resistance levels where price might react. Finally, wait for a clear signal to confirm the trading opportunity. This principle helps you filter out high probability trades, minimize emotional trading, and increase your chances of success. An essential part of any strategy is setting a reasonable stop loss. This is the safety net for your account against unexpected market movements. Don't set your stop loss too close, as market prices often experience minor fluctuations before moving in the intended direction. At the same time, ensure your stop loss is based on a clear rationale. It could be below a support level or above a resistance level. Most importantly, once you've set your stop loss, stick to it. Moving your stop loss out of hope that the price will reverse is one of the most common mistakes traders make. A trading strategy is not just about tools and methods, it's also about how you execute it. Discipline and patience are the deciding factors in whether you succeed or fail. Don't change your strategy after just a few losses, give it time to prove its effectiveness. Additionally, always document your trades to evaluate and improve. A personalized strategy doesn't have to be perfect from the start, but it should be a tool that helps you make progress every day. There is no shortcut to success. A strategy designed specifically for you is the foundation that helps you survive and thrive in the market. Start by understanding yourself, setting simple but effective trading rules, and always maintaining discipline. That's how you not only build a strategy but also build confidence and sustainability in your trading journey. No one can deny that our biggest enemy is not the market, but our emotions. The market simply reflects objective fluctuations, but emotions are what can easily lead us astray. You may have experienced the anxiety when the price gets close to your stop loss, or the extreme euphoria when a big win tempts you to enter more trades. These emotions, if uncontrolled, will lead you to make poor decisions. Learning to manage your emotions is one of the most important skills to become a successful trader. When you feel yourself being driven by emotions, take a pause. Don't trade when your mind isn't calm enough to evaluate the market objectively. Remember, trading is a job of logic and discipline, not a place to display emotions. Sometimes, the best thing to do is do nothing, rather than forcing yourself to trade just to seek immediate gratification. Failure in trading is unavoidable, but how you face and learn from those failures is what makes the difference. A losing trade doesn't mean you've failed, it's simply part of the game. Were there unexpected market movements you didn't account for? If you made a trading mistake, acknowledge it and find ways to improve. Don't let failure shake your confidence, it's a valuable lesson for you to grow. Successful trading isn't just about technical skills, it's a combination of self-awareness, discipline, and mental resilience. Finding a strategy that fits your personal style is the first step in building a strong foundation. A simple and easy to execute strategy will help you focus on the most important things rather than being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. More importantly, patience and emotional management will determine whether you win or lose in the long term. The market is never short of opportunities, but that doesn't mean you have to seize every one of them. Be patient, wait for truly clear setups, and only act when you feel confident. This will not only help you preserve your capital, but also maintain a stable mindset to go further. Now is the time for you to start building your own strategy. Take the time to understand your goals, trading style, and risk tolerance. Once you have a strategy, execute it with discipline and consistency. Don't get swayed by external advice or the temptation of instant opportunities. Trust your plan and patiently wait for the results. Success in trading doesn't come from luck or gambling, but from thorough preparation, good emotional management, and persistence in overcoming failures. If you stick to these principles, the market will become your best teacher. Finally, I wish you effective trading and success in achieving your financial goals. Remember, this journey is not just about making money, but also an opportunity to discover yourself and grow every day. Good luck on your path to conquering the Forex market.